What is going on, guys? Esoteric Rider here, and today what I'm going to be talking about in this return video, what is the best bang for your buck to get power and sound out of your Honda Fury, and the kicker is on a budget. So first things first, there are three things that you're going to need. Number one, you're going to need the 3-inch Cobra slip-on exhaust system. It's not a full system. I have a video tutorial on installing them. They're very easy. They're the cheapest, best option for getting great sound out of the bike, but it gets better with these other two things that you can get for your bike. And the other thing is with these is that they're all incredibly easy to install. So aside from the Cobra slip-ons, you're also going to need a K&N Air Filter. They're high-performance air filters. They're incredibly easy to install. All you have to do is take the 4 bolts off of the cover, you take the old air filter out, you put the new one in, and you bolt the cover back on. Incredibly simple. They're high performance. It's a real easy time. And not only do you get immediate throttle response, you get better engine performance as well. The final thing that ties this all together, the Cobra FI 200R fuel tuner. Again, incredibly easy to install. It comes with instructions. All you got to do is take out the stock fuel injectors, the actual stock fuel injector cables out of the engine, and then what you do is you plug in the connectors on the fuel injector, and then what it does is it auto programs. It's incredibly easy. It's cheap, on the cheaper end of the fuel tuners. There are multiple ones you can get. This one's from Cobra, same make of the pipes and whatnot, so I mean, you know they're going to work together. So there's no worry about that. So once you actually take care of that, so not only do you have the better air performance when it comes to the air filter, you got great sound coming from the pipes. You don't get any backfire. You don't get any kind of spit and sputter. You get the power, and the awesome thing is, not only do you get a pretty deep tone compared to stock pipes, you also get a really smooth traditional feel and sound. And the good thing is, yes, having a throaty and grungy big bad motorcycle is cool and all, don't get me wrong, like how the 2-into-1 sounded. If you really think about it, does that really sound like a Honda? Or does it really sound like a production chopper, a stock production chopper? It doesn't, in my personal opinion, don't get me wrong, they were awesome pipes and whatnot, and they sounded great, but it just didn't sound right for a Honda Fury. So with these, you get the better airflow going through the pipes and whatnot because of the air filter, and it ties itself together with the fuel tuner. So you get that together and you get a nice, crisp, smooth, solid sound. It is so nice, as you can hear. Aside from me talking, let me open up the pipes a little bit. Alright, before I get pulled over for speeding, you get a perfect pitched sound. It's so nice. Even at a high RPM, it's smooth. It's so nice. In my opinion, that is the 3 things you need to unlock power and performance out of your Honda Fury on a budget that's budget friendly. And did I say that you're on a budget and it doesn't break the bank? Of course, you can get the Power Flow, the Cobra Power Flow air intake. That would kind of be overkill for the slip-ons. If you get a full exhaust system, like you get the sweat pipes and whatnot, that's a little bit of overkill in my opinion. If you just go with the slip-ons and you get the Power Flow intake. But again, I don't know personally. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you do have that combination. But the K&N filter does just fine. Plus they're reusable. You can get them for a cheaper price and just have a real good time with them. Especially with them being easy to install and you're not having to take off the intake and whatnot and having to do all that. So But in the meantime, that'll wrap up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed or learned a thing or two. If you have a question, feel free to leave a question in the comment section down below. Be sure to check out the Instagram Esoteric Rider, where I post pictures of my Honda Fury and other motorcycle related content. And of course, be sure to check out the channel and be sure to subscribe to it, because I post videos and tutorials on this bike itself. You just might find something you like. So in the meantime, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.